Hey everybody, this is Mr. Higgins again, talking about exit tickets in math. So I loved doing exit tickets in the classroom. It's different now, virtual teaching, right? In the classroom, what I do is they do their 5 minute or less exit ticket. Typically takes like about 3 minutes. 5 minutes, you cut them off. And we did right before morning recess. And so they'd show me their exit ticket before they leave, and I'd take it. If they didn't do it, they couldn't go to recess. Unfortunately, it's not the case with virtual learning, but there's a helpful tool if you like math exit tickets as much as I do for to sort of get a quick informal observation of how students do the lesson. Well, you have something called Khan Academy where you can do a digital exit ticket. And let me give you an example. Well, here's what the website looks like. And let's say, for example, in math, recently we've been learning in third grade about the commutative property multiplication. So all you do is type in Google Khan Academy commutative property, and up comes a video they have. And so you wouldn't have to watch the video. This could just be them for reteaching because you should have already talked about it during your lesson. But here's the main part. You want to go to the pencil for practice. You click it, and now it'll give you only about 3 to 4 problems. I'll move my screen up so you can see the bottom of the screen. 7 problems. And so you're supposed to complete the equation. Well, the commutative property is you can flip-flop the factors. 3 times 2 equals 2 times 3. It'll give them instant feedback. Hey, you got it right. There's also a great tool where you could, if you don't have a whiteboard, which you should have, but you could also mark up on here. So you could mark up, okay, 7's here, and then you have a 3 here and a 3 here. Okay, this side equals 21. This next side should also equal 21 because the equal sign is like a scale, right? You want to balance each side. And so 7 goes in the blank. And the great thing about it, once they finish, once your students are signed up, my students easily sign up through Clever. They go to Khan Academy. It'll show you their scores in a column form. Very simple to see. And then once you do this, over a week's time or more, you start seeing a pattern. Who's not doing their exit ticket? Who's doing a great job getting a great score on their exit ticket? And who's struggling? And it'll help you know, okay, should we reteach this lesson, or who specifically do I need to go talk to who's constantly struggling? And that is a math exit ticket video. And so there are other ways I'm sure to do exit tickets, but I feel like this is the quickest way to get instant results where you don't have to look at all their whiteboard. You could do a whiteboard check, of course. Hey, here, do this problem. So that's a super quick way. I guess I'm talking about a quick way that records the scores for you. Because if I don't have this, a nice simple exit ticket would be show your paper. But the problem is you're like looking really close to the screen, and then you know what? If there's a student that always gets everything wrong, they're embarrassed again. I got it wrong again. So this is a discreet way to see how the students are doing, where they're not sort of embarrassed in front of their peers, and you get instant feedback, and it's super simple to go to. So let's do another one. Let's pretend you're doing a lesson on in math, third grade. How about it's just do you know how to fill out your times table? Let's see if they have a times table practice. Multiplication chart, Khan Academy. And of course, I'm typing everything in correctly. And so you click it. There's a really long video, but you do have practice. And so let's say you want some fluency activities. You don't need to do these. Buy mine on Teachers Pay Teachers because I do have a huge list of multiplication activities on there through Google Forms that auto grades it for you. You can export the answers to your spreadsheet. But this is also good too for that. All right, that's sort of it. All right, have